In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Canva designs to your HubSpot content. We'll walk through the whole process, from downloading your design in Canva to placing it neatly inside a HubSpot blog post. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and feel free to pause as you go. Start by opening the Canva design you want to use. This could be a blog graphic, a banner, or any visual you've created. Inside the Canva editor, look to the top right corner and click on the Share button. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Download. The panel will refresh to show you all the download options. Here, you'll want to choose the right file type for your content. For most blog images, PNG is a good choice because it keeps your design sharp. If you're using PNG, you'll see extra settings like adjusting the file size, limiting the file size, compressing the file, and enabling a transparent background. Pick the options that best match how you'll use the image. When you're happy with the settings, click Download. Your file will start downloading automatically to your computer. Next, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look at the main navigation and find the area where your content lives. Choose the type of content you want to update. In this example, we'll use a blog post. Open your list of blog posts and select the one where you want to add the Canva design. This will open the blog inside the HubSpot editor. Inside the editor, look for the plus icon on the left toolbar. Click it to open the list of available modules. Since the Canva design you just downloaded is an image, type image into the search. You'll see options like image grid and image slider. In this walkthrough, we'll use an image slider. Click and drag the slider module into the spot in your content where you want the Canva design to appear. Once the slider is in place, you'll see its settings on the left panel. Under the Content tab, you'll notice that 5 slides are added by default. If you only need one image, just hover over the extra slides and click the trash icon to delete them. To edit the remaining slide, hover over it and click the pencil icon. Now click Upload. Your computer's file browser will open. Locate the Canva file you just downloaded, select it, and confirm. HubSpot will upload the image and attach it to your slider. Wait until the upload is complete before you move on. Because you're using an image slider, you also have the option to add a caption or leave it blank. You can even add a link so that clicking the image takes visitors to another page. After that, switch over to the Styles tab in the slider settings. Here, you'll see sections for slides, navigation, and slider. Click on each accordion to expand it and explore the styling options. This is where you can fine-tune things like spacing, arrows, or dots for navigation, and the overall look of the slider so that it matches your brand and the rest of your page. Once you're satisfied with the content and the styling, you're done. You've successfully downloaded a Canva design and added it into your HubSpot content, ready to publish or update your blog post.